This is the 2007 Honda Odyssey, and I'm starting having problem with the code. The code is the P0389. That's the crankshaft position sensor B, located down there, down here in the engine, this part. To change this sensor, you need to, first of all, you have to remove the tensioner. You gotta do it from here because you got better access. The second thing you gotta do, you have to remove this part, the crank that goes there. Don't lose this thing, because that's the way you're gonna put it back. Like here, this little hole over there. Do not touch this area because you easily can damage the timing. Okay, to change the sensor, you have to remove this bolt, this one, and that one, and that one. Just 10 millimeter. And carefully, when you remove the sensor, clean the area where the sensor goes, because the dirt can damage the sensor quick. And it's not easy to do this job in the way, you have to remove a lot of parts to get access here. You have to remove this cover. And that's the bolt, 10 millimeter. Being patient is gonna be a plus doing this. 2007 Honda Odyssey Touring 3.5 V6 engine. I think it's the same engine from 2005 through 2010. Okay, I hope this video helped you to do your own repair. Thank you.